Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to Yonvim Baby Monitor. It is the model Bm07 and it comes with so nice and really cool features on the go here, baby. This baby monitor Bm07 makes a good job with a good and nice handheld device, plus and really cool additionally possibility to gain up with a lot of other camera systems from Yonvim system. We protect our baby's second pair of eyes. The Yonvim Baby Monitor with the camera and an audio always keeps on an eye on our baby. This giving us a visual enjoying with a large 5-inch display and an amazing 2K ultra clear camera system. The remote baby monitor features a 350 degrees pan and 120 degrees tilt. This giving us a wider field of view. That means 4 times, 10 times zoom to look at our baby's movement and expressions more closely, baby. And we does not know worries day and night. The video baby monitor with 7,000 mAh battery capacity, which is 1.5 times that other on the market, can provide 30 hours of continuous care. Even if we want to see our baby all the time, the battery life is up to 18 hours. It is very suitable for parents who need to travel without frequent charging. The long-range baby monitor without Wi-Fi has 1,500 feet transmission range and higher stability. We can see our baby in our bedroom, in our kitchen, or the garden. Just turn on the screen. The baby monitor camera supports up to 128 GB of TF cards to record precious moments of our baby growth. And it's customizable lullabies and soothing night lights. The baby monitor supports over 1,000 lullabies, and we can customize our baby's favorite music to soothe our baby. Colored night lights enhance the night vision. This makes it easier for us to take care of our baby at the night, dispelling our baby's fear of the darkness. And if our baby cries or the temperature exceeds the set threshold, we will receive a real-time prompt alert. We can set a fixed time to remind a feed for baby and charge diapers. When our baby wakes up, crying or looking for us, the real-time 2-audio way that functions gives us the baby the fastest response, of course. We will get the parent unit. This is the dongle, the monitor, the X1. We get the baby unit. This is the camera X1. We have 2 power adapters, one for the baby unit, one for the parent unit. We have a wall mount kit, and that's all what we need. The prior to utilization is to add more significance to thoroughly periods of the safety and operation guidelines, for example. It is imperative to adhere to the prescribed safety measures in order to avert a fire hazard, the physical harm, or impair the product, as well as to ensure the well-being of the infant. The onus lies with the user taking full accountability for any determinate consequences resulting from non-compliance with the aforementioned safety instruction, of course. So read them before you use it, because you will need a wide connection with the camera, of course, because the camera needs energy. So take care. Let your baby not reach the cable. That's important, of course. But then we can start, because it's so easy. When cleaning the parent unit and the baby camera body, it is important to unplug this product from the wall outlet. We avoid placing any objects on the power cord, and it is critical not to overload the wall outlet. And we avoid placing this product on unstable tables, shelf stands, or any other surfaces that may not provide the stability. And periodically, we check all parts of the product for any sign of damage. And then, the baby monitor can't replace adult supervising, of course. And the DC power should not be placed where the baby can touch it, avoiding binding to child's body parts and cause baby safety problems. This product is not a toy, and children are not allowed to play with it, of course. We use the supply power adapter, that means output 5 volt 1.5 ampere. This is the same as you'll use an AC adapter for your smartphone, for example, of course. If we look to the camera system, we have a speaker, an infrared sensor, a lens, a microphone hole, and a light-emitted diode indicator. Infrared light is included, mood lighting adjustment button, temperature sensor, an antenna, a USB port, an install buckle, and a bracket hole. And of course we have pairing button, long press for pairing on the bottom side. On the monitor, the parent's system, we have an LCD screen, a power on-off for long press, and screen on-off short press button. Menu button, return button is the same. Camera switching button if you use a couple of camera systems. The up button, down, right, left, and up, of course, to navigate through the menu. When we have an OK button, zoom button. Zoom means short press. OK button is to switch in OK in the menu. We have two-way talk, long press, a volume adjustment button, short press. Power charging indicator, an antenna, a speaker, a handler, a reset button, and a USB port. And it's really easy to operate with it. Because they are factory paired each other, that means you does not need to repair it. For example, you can use it. Only switch on the parent unit and get a power supply to the camera system, and it will be automatically switched on. We can go and make a long press on the power button to power on or off the device. Then we have the menu button for a short press, the system menu, long press into parentheses. And then we can start. On the screen of our parental monitor system, we have on the left upper side, we can have a signal icon, display the current signal tranche. Then the image of the which camera 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then the night vision, the current previous screen is in the night vision mode. For example, if you can see this screen with this half moon. The camera rotation previous mode is on or not. If we have built-in a memory card, it will show there. It displays the current signal tranche of the Vox menu. Temperature alert on. Alert clock icon to set the feeding reminder, for example. Lullaby icon if lullaby is playing. Display zoom magnification. Screensaver icon. Sound icon. And we see a time icon. The red flash means that the baby monitor is current moments. If we install the micro SD card into it, and then we can easily start with our system. It's really easy to handle this Yonvim Video Baby Monitor System Bm07 to make really clear and nice videos, and we can capture our baby while it's sleeping or while it is in that room to look for a bad feeling, and of course to secure our baby. With this Yonvim, only have an eyes on for our baby monitor Bm07. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun, let's have some lullabies. Sun.